Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now I want to discuss about the TREC results of the information retrieval systems. Actually it is the last topic of the information retrieval systems. So what are the contents are there in the TREC results? Actually the TREC stands for text retrieval conferences. These are the conferences conducted to handle the problems of existing information retrieval systems. What are the problems are causing? What kind of the problems are facing by the researchers in the existing information retrieval systems? Those problems can be discussed and handled, and the solutions can be found out in the form of the proceedings in the conferences. The discussions can be made, and finally they will discuss about the solutions in the problems of the information retrieval systems by using these text retrieval conferences. TREC stands for text retrieval conferences. Okay, so this is the acronym of the TREC, text retrieval conferences. Okay, so what kind of the problems normally they will search in the information retrieval systems? See, the problems with existing system capabilities and problems with measurement techniques in evaluating the operational systems. What are the measurement techniques in the evaluating operational systems, and what are the existing system capabilities? These problems can be successfully handled in the text retrieval conferences. The creation of the annual text retrieval conferences are given as follows. Okay, so normally the text retrieval conferences can be initiated by DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, and National Institute of Standards Technology, NIST. Okay, these initiated the TREC conferences and changed the process of the standardization process of the evaluating the information systems. Okay, and they also use it to provide a perfect database with the gigabytes of the data, and what kind of the search statements to be used to get the expected results. Okay, so this conference provides not only handling the problems whatever we have seen, this also provides a standard database. And the standard database, normally it's not a normal database, it contains some set of the gigabytes of the data, and it also provides the kinds of the set statements for getting the expected results. Set of the set statements also it provide for getting the expected results. And one more thing, we are going to discuss about this TREC conferences, TREC conferences. They has provided a methodology also for providing the performance of the algorithms, what they are following. Okay, so for evaluating the performance of the algorithms, whatever algorithms we are using in the information retrieval systems, it provides some kind of the methodologies also. This methodologies includes the evaluate and monitor the effectiveness of the algorithm, and what kind of the procedure they are going to be followed, and selection of the system, what kind of the system normally they are going to be selected, and query generation process, and what kind of the improvements it can made on the query generation process, and cost benefit analysis of the information systems. Okay, and also the effects and changes of the existing information system. All these are the things that are going to be evaluated while using the methodology of the TREC. What is the first one? What kind of the system that they are going to select? Okay, selection of a system, and what is the effectiveness of the system, and what is the query generation process? What kind of the improvements has been taken, and what is the cost benefit analysis, and what kind of the effects changes that are made to the existing system. All these things also taken into the consideration to evaluate the performance of the algorithms in the TREC conferences. And one more thing here we need to talk about is the goal of the TREC algorithms, the goal of the TREC conferences is mainly designed to overcome the problems, whatever we have discussed. Okay, and these problems are normally making the problem is very big and a diverse data set, very large data and very diverse data set they are creating. So in that particular data set, the searching of a perfect sorry searching of a particular item is very difficult, so that they have been oh, they have taken some kind of the measurements, they have taken some kind of the things to overcome those kind of the problems. Normally, what kind of the problems? Two type of the retrieval measures are examined in the conference: ad hoc query and routing. Okay, the first one is the ad hoc query and the second one is routing. So initially these conferences were initiated in the year of 1992. From the starting of the 1992, we have five number of the conferences. Okay, so what not only problems we have discussed priorly, it also used to handle the problems. These trek conferences are also conducted to handle the problems of the large data sets and diverse data sets. Diverse data sets means what? Large kind of the different kind of the data sets. Okay, so in order to handle this, we have ad hoc query and routing. These are the various kinds of the things are provided for retrieval methods. One is the ad hoc query and one is the routing. Okay, and one more thing here we need to talk about: Trek provides a set of training documents and a set of test documents over 1 gigabyte in size. Okay, so test documents and training documents to classify the data, each over 1 gigabyte in size. It also provides a set of training set topics and a test set topics. Okay, so to perform the classification of the data, it divides the data in the form of the training set and as well as the test set data. Okay, the following are the test results on the specific data that is divided into some kind of the disk 1 and disk 2 and disk 3 like this. So these sources contents of the disk shown in the figure available for the trek analysis. So the trek conducted in 1990, 1991 and 1992. These 3 years, and once the trek is conducted 1992, that is stored, those results are stored in Wall Street Journal, and 1988 it is AP Newswire, and 1988 it is a Federal Register. Articles from computer selected disk are stored in GIF. And disk 3 1991, Newswire 1990, articles from computer selected disk. These are the various uh, results of the trek. Those are placed in three number of the disks. Okay, so again this table describes collection of the source size in megabytes, mean term per record, median term per record, total number of the records. So total number of the records, mean terms have taken and median terms have taken. What is the size of this? What is the source of the collection? All these things are clearly explained as the result of the trek. So what is the trek? Actually, text retrieval conferences. These were conducted to handle the large diverse data sets and problem with evaluating retrieval systems, problem with handling the systems, problems with set statements. All these things are successfully discussed, and various kinds of the solutions are also proposed there in such conferences. So these are nothing but TREC results and TREC conferences. Okay, so this is the last uh, concept of the information retrieval systems. Okay, please watch all the playlist of the information retrieval systems. If you got any queries, please mail me intelligibletutorials@gmail.com. Feel free to ask if you have any doubts, and please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you one and all. Thank you for listening. Thank you.